Hey guys, in this video, we'll go over how to declare on Cnfans. This is going to be a quick guide, okay? So, first things first, you want to go ahead and log in to Cnfans, right? Open up Cnfans on your browser or mobile app, okay? And just sign in with your credentials. And once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and navigate to your account settings. This is where you'll find the most of your financial and verification options. And you just need to go ahead and locate the declaration section. Okay? Depending on how your menu is structured, go to the financial or earnings section and then look for an option labeled declare or something similar. This is where you'll officially submit your declaration. And now it's time to fill out the declaration form. You'll typically need to enter details like your, total earnings, tax information, or any required verification documents. You want to double check everything to make sure it's accurate before moving on. And once all your details are correctly entered, you want to go ahead and click submit to finalize the process. And in some cases, you may need to verify your submission through email or a security code, and after submitting, you should see a confirmation message. This basically means that your declaration has been successfully processed. And that's it, guys. And if you run into any issues or need assistance, you can check out the Cnfans Help Center for further support, and make sure to declare on time to avoid any account restrictions. It's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you guys in the next one.